Laughing is great. It helps us have fun, relax, make friends, and see problems in a different light. All good, right? But is everything okay in the name of laughter? Today we'll talk about humor, a way of expressing ourselves that almost always brings us together. But it can also hurt others if we aren't careful. Laughing with someone isn't the same as laughing at someone. Laughing with someone, laughing at someone. They might sound similar, but a single word makes a big difference. Let's look at an example with Mikey.
Oh man, I should have eaten a bigger breakfast this morning.
Are you sure you had breakfast?
Oh man, I should have eaten a bigger breakfast this morning.
I don't think breakfast is your problem. You've never made a basket in your life. This sport is not for you.
In which of these two situations do you think they're laughing with Mikey? That's right, it's this one. Laughing with someone means everyone is in on the joke and no one feels bad. In the second situation, things are different. They're laughing at Mikey. When one person is laughing and another feels attacked or embarrassed, it's no longer humor, it's making fun. A joke shouldn't have victims. If everyone is laughing, it's humor. If someone is suffering, even if the others are laughing, something is wrong. Saying it was a joke doesn't fix the damage done. Let's stick with Mikey's example, the situation where they made him feel bad with a joke.
I didn't find what you said earlier funny.
Oh, come on, you're overreacting. It was just a joke.
Simply saying it was just a joke doesn't fix what was said earlier. If something we say upsets someone, the important thing isn't to defend ourselves, but to listen. It's unfair to blame the victim, right? Sometimes we hurt people without meaning to, but when someone tells us that something has upset them, we have a chance to fix it.
I didn't find what you said earlier funny.
I'm sorry. At the time, I thought it was funny, but I see it upset you. Maybe I went too far. It won't happen again. I'm sorry.
Much better, right? Laughing at yourself.
Well, I don't think they'll pick me for the World Basketball Championship this year, do you?
Laughing at yourself is healthy. It helps us not to take things too seriously, because even though we sometimes forget, it's okay to make mistakes. But be careful. Laughing at yourself doesn't mean insulting yourself or treating yourself badly. It means accepting that we can mess up, learn from it, and move forward with a sense of humor. When the joke targets the most vulnerable. If the jokes are always about the same person, especially if that person is lonelier, has less support, or is having a harder time, it stops being humor. And here's something important. When we laugh at a joke that attacks someone else, even if we didn't tell it ourselves, we're also taking sides. Laughter sends a message. It can say, "I'm okay with this," if we laugh, or it can help stop the situation if we don't.
That isn't funny. How would you feel if someone made fun of you over and over again?
Sometimes you don't need to give a big speech. It's enough to just stop going along with the joke, change the subject, or support the person who feels hurt. Humor is a great tool for having fun, but it can also hurt if we use it to mock, embarrass, or attack someone else. So before making a joke, stop for a second and think, is this helping everyone have a good time, or am I using it to make someone feel bad?